We have the Supcase Unicorn Beetle style case for the iPhone 14 Pro. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard. And on this channel, I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, we have a case from Supcase. This is their Unicorn Beetle style series case for the iPhone 14 Pro. Now, this is a premium hybrid protective slim clear case. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful case from Supcase. Now, this is a all clear. They do have multiple colors for these if you want to go ahead and pick them up. They do have different colors, so you are presented with multiple options. But look at this, absolutely feels premium. I do have a dummy iPhone 14 Pro here. I am getting the Pro Max, but they sent these cases out for review, so I'm going to go ahead and hook them up and do them. Even though I don't got the actual phone, I can at least show you how it actually looks. Now, this does not have MagSafe. This will wirelessly charge through the case, but with that being said, you do have plenty of lip protection around the back to protect the camera lenses, as well as the front. You have a tremendous amount of lip protection all around that beautiful front screen of the iPhone 14 Pro. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down or on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up the screen or those camera lenses. Now, your cutouts are nice and precise, 100% precise there. You do got plenty of room around that charging port. If you want to use a third-party charging cable, you most definitely can. But look at that, it absolutely looks fantastic. Nothing on top. You do have drop protection there on the corners, as you can see, and the buttons are 100% covered, nice and tactile, very responsive, and you got plenty of room there to reach that mute slider. Now, you do have a cutout here on the left side of the case for a wrist lanyard, so if you're into that, you most definitely can rock this with a wrist lanyard. You do have Supcase branding right here, bottom left corner of the case. Now, this is available in other colors. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.